So the Unity Live Help program is a great program which gives you the opportunity to speak with someone live 24/7 no matter where you are in the world, whether you're in an office or inside of your home. One of the nice things is we have our live experts coming to you. One of the great benefits to you is that you save time and money. And so you're not, spending all that time trying to look for answers online or, waiting for someone to respond to you. One of the nice things is that you will get that instant response and you get connected live with one of our live help experts.
We were developing an app for the Winter Festival of Lights in Niagara Falls, Canada, when we hit a complete roadblock with our Unity development. The augmented reality objects were not appearing consistently in the locations they were supposed to. Our developer just could not figure it out. With only days left until the festival launch, I decided to go to Google to try and figure out the problem, and I figured I was going to be looking through forums for days and days and doing YouTube tutorials, and that's when I stumbled upon Unity Live Help.
Many times, a lot of companies are having a lot of challenges and they're just at the last few weeks or months of their project and they just need to get that project done. And one of the challenges is where do I find the right staff or the right team in such a short amount of time? And that too, who have the experience that we need to get this project done. And that's where our program really helps out, is you can get a live expert at the click of a button who can help you to, take care of either troubleshooting or even give you ideas to help you with your project and just help you get right over those last hurdles and thus complete a successful project.
We were stuck and we weren't sure exactly how to move forward. Time was running out and our reputation was on the line. From the moment we connected with Unity Live Help, things started coming together right away and we were back on track. The whole process was super efficient and seamless. Our support agent jumped right in and got working.
So Unity Live Help has 3 specific arms. They are business support, troubleshooting, and live learning. When you're working with a Unity Live expert, you can rest assured that your project is in good hands and that you're getting the right professional advice that you need for any of your challenges that you may be experiencing.
Working with Unity Live Help is what saved us and got us to complete the project, and we couldn't be more grateful.
There's absolutely no way this project would have been completed without Unity Live Help. All of the forums and tutorials in the world would not have provided the ground-up solution that we needed to get the project done. Thank you so much, Unity Live Help.
You can get in touch with a live expert today by visiting livehelp.unity.com.